Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome also to my viewers in TikTok. Okay, so let us solve this problem. 25 is 40% of what number? Okay, so let us understand the statement. So the meaning of is again is equal. So, yung is meaning niya ay equal. Ang of naman ay multiply. Multiplication siya. Okay. So, ang hinahanap natin yung variable. Itong what number, yan ay variable. Lagay natin siya ay in. So, let us write 25 then equals let us convert this 40% to decimal number. So, that is 0.40 multiply dito sa in natin. Okay. Sulat lang muna yung 25. Then let's do the multiplication. So 0.40 times n, that is 0.40 n. Now, because we are looking for the value of n, let us divide it by 0.40, its coefficient. Yan also dito sa 25, sorry. This 0.40. Okay, so we can cancel this 0.40. Our in. So 25 divided by 0.40, that is 62.5. That is the what number. That's the value of n. Okay? So, ganun kasimple ang pag-solve ng problem na ito. Okay, so, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video nito. Maraming salamat sa panonood.